Indiana AgrAbility, in cooperation with its partner Easter Seals Crossroads, sponsors agricultural assistive technology expos at various locations around Indiana. These events help demonstrate how assistive technology, also known as AT, can make farming tasks easier, less stressful, or even possible for farmers with disabilities. Participants receive hands-on experience with how AT can be applied in agricultural careers. These sessions are ideal for vocational rehabilitation professionals, occupational and physical therapists, extension professionals, veterans, and individuals with disabilities who are interested in pursuing careers in agriculture. For more information about agricultural assistive technology expos, visit agrability.info/AT-expo.